What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got that heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. Eureka! This one is called Subx. Guys, Subx is a high utility deflationary token on the Binance Smart Chain. Their goal is to build a startup ecosystem of web and mobile applications for every stage of the startup journey, from education to scaling. They aim to empower more existing and aspiring entrepreneurs so that together, guys, the world can be positively impacted. Their team launched the Subx token on the 13th of May 2021, guys, and they reached a $7.5 million USD market cap in less than 24 hours from the launch. They now have 7,200 token holders worldwide. They're listed on CoinGecko in less than 3 days, and currently they're pending on CoinMarketCap. Some of their applications that they have, guys: the Marketplace app. Here, guys, you hold your Subx to purchase heavily discounted software to grow your startup. The community app, this you earn Subx by being active in their startup community and contributing to discussions on entrepreneurship and investments. Their learning app, hold a minimum amount of Subx to access the learning app, which is coming in Q3 of 2021, guys. And lastly, their career app. The career app is a job portal application where startups can find great talent to join impactful startups, again coming in Q3 of 2021. They've been featured on many external outlets, guys, in particular CoinGecko, BSC Scan, PancakeSwap, MarketWatch, Daily Herald, Fox News, etc. Now, guys, regarding their ecosystem architecture, the Subx ecosystem is designed in a way to encourage the holding of their token. Most applications require users to hold a minimum baseline amount of Subx before these benefits can be accessed. This baseline amount acts as a buffer for downward selling pressure, ensuring stability in prices during bear markets. Get your startup funded by the community vote, guys. 1% transaction tax will fund the venture capital fund. The community will vote for impactful startups to get funded in exchange for them promoting and coming on board to their ecosystem. This adds value, guys, to the Subx ecosystem, creating demand and upward price trajectory for Subx token. Some of their holder benefits: their ecosystem access, exclusive access to their app ecosystem where you can learn new skills, guys, sell products, network, and more. Voting rights, have the power to decide which impactful startup you want to fund for the future of your society. Passive income, they reward holders with a 5% transaction tax, which puts Subx directly in your wallet every time a transaction is made. Their tokenomics, 8% initial token supply was reserved to kickstart the venture capital fund, guys, which is a Subx VC. Part of this fund is used for the development, marketing, and operations of the entire Subx ecosystem. The remainder will be reserved for funding high impact startups voted by the community. The funding startups will join the ecosystem and give back the communities actively. So for the pre-launch, 8% of total supply is reserved to kickstart the venture capital fund. 92% of total supply is utilized to pre-sale and PancakeSwap listing. As for the launch, guys, 12% tax on all transactions, 3% of tax is added to the venture capital fund, 4% tax is added to the liquidity pools, 5% of tax is distributed to all holders. Here is Subx on PancakeSwap, guys. Now, again, they have their full BSC contract address here for full transparency, guys. Let's check that out. And boom, here we are, guys. So we scroll down, we can see a total of 82 transactions, guys. The transaction hashes, the blocks, the age, who it's from, who it's going to, and the value of it, guys. This here is Subx's Telegram group with over 6,900 members in there. This is a good place, guys, to start your due diligence journey on Subx if this platform is something that you're interested in. Their admins are very friendly, guys, and can help you out with any questions you might have. I strongly suggest starting here for your due diligence journey. This here is their chart on Bogged Finance, guys. So we can see the token Subx, the price, guys, a little over a penny. The 24-hour change, they took a little bit of a hit, guys, around 23%, but have no fear, we will be bouncing back real soon. Of course, guys, the whole market is in a little bit of a lawless state right now. Thanks, Elon. Not. Anyway, let's just keep our hopes up for this, keep watching it, and we definitely are going to see some increases in the future as we know cryptocurrency goes up and down, guys. This here is their security audit done by MythX. Full transparency, guys, listed on this website here. They have the report number and everything. When it was created, it was done on the 13th of May, and there was one analysis, guys. The full report can be found below, and I definitely recommend including this within your due diligence journey regarding Subx. In conclusion, guys, Subx is also registered as a private limited company in Singapore, and they're here for the long term. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we would be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto, out.